Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So if you are new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I post beauty, fashion, lifestyle related videos and lot more. So today I create a makeup look which is a no makeup look, like everyday makeup look. Any college going girl or office going girl can do this makeup. It's super simple, super easy, and I used minimal products. I will link down all the product details in the description below. You guys can check there. I will post more creative content, so please keep supporting me and keep loving me. Please stay with me, watch till the end, so you will see how I do my everyday makeup look. So without further delay, let's get started. I am securing my hair with hair clips so that it won't disturb me during the makeup time. Before starting makeup, I will do a little bit skincare. I just washed my face with face wash. For the first step, I am using this Nykaa Skin Potion Facial Oil. I broke the dropper. I'm just rubbing it into my palm and apply it all over my face. I'm just using a little bit, and this oil is really lightweight and it keeps the skin's vital hydration locked in and it absorbs beautifully. And then I thought that hair clips isn't working, so I just tied my hair with a rubber band. Next, I am using VLCC water resistant SPF 60 sunscreen gel cream. It is a cream like texture, and the formula, it provides a long lasting and water resistant sun protection, and it also prevents premature skin aging and tanning. After using sunscreen, I am using a lip balm. This is from Biotique Fruit Whitening Lip Balm. I told you in my previous video I love this lip balm. It also helps lightening the pigmented lips. That's why I love this. So next is my under eye, my dark circles, and for this I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and I'm in the shade Pear Beige. This concealer is really blendable and it gives a natural coverage. I'm using it under my eyes. You can see. I'm also using this on my eyelids and in my mouth area also. Then I'm using my fingers to blend it out. Our body has a heat so that it blend perfectly and it will give a natural coverage, as it is a everyday makeup look, so we don't need that full coverage. I'm also using this on my forehead because I have a little bit pigmentation over there. If you have any dark spots or acne, then you can use concealer or a foundation for better coverage. Then I'm using this Maybelline Compact. It has SPF 28. I'm using with this puff and patting it over my face. It will mattify the makeup so that it will not look really oily or tacky. It is really suitable for everyday use and it will stay 24 hours fresh. As it has SPF, it will also protect from sun damage. Next is my favorite part, which is blush, and for this I am using the Face Shop Water Fit Lip Tint in the shade Rose Pink. I make a heart. I was shaking and I am blending it with my fingers. I am using more. This is basically a lip tint, but I am using it as a blush, and it is a water gel like texture. It glides smoothly. Next I'm using this Maybelline New York V Face Duo Stick in the shade medium. In the daily basis I don't generally use a highlighter, but here I am using a little bit for a subtle glow. I'm using on my nose also. And product दिखाने से पहले ही गिर गया. Why I'm so clumsy? Then I remember I can also use this as a eyeshadow. So I'm doing this and I'm blending it with my fingers. It also gives a smooth, subtle. Next I'm using this eyebrow pencil. I don't do my brows, I'm just brushing it. It is from Miss Claire. Then the next part is mascara, and for this I'm using Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. It gives your lashes a very good length. You can see how it make my lashes so long. I'm also using this on my lower lash line. This mascara has a fanning brush. That's why it keeps all the lashes separate. And it also gives a great volume. I'm removing my lip balm. And for the lipstick, I'm using this Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick in the shade Wooded by Nude. I'm applying on my lips. And I'm going to smudge it with my fingers. And also in my upper lips. This is a great nude shade, you can go for it. And yeah, it's done. Here I am untying my hair and removed the hair clip. I'm setting my hair with hands. So the everyday no makeup look is done. Hope you like this video. Bye. See you in my next video.